Okay, we have a Maytag washer, but it's also a Whirlpool, and this one's getting F6E3 error, and that means a communication between the main control and the user interface. So I'm going to try to diagnose what the problem is here, but most likely the console will have to be replaced. So here's the main board, and I think the motor control is right on it, since I see the capacitors. I've seen it in the past. This communication error is usually the motor control board talking to the main board, but since this one is 2-in-1, the only other board really that is left is the user interface board, and that's what it's indicating to. So it can be one of those two, but I'm gonna try to take it apart and take a look at it and see which one it is. It's kind of hard sometimes with the boards because it's a lot of money, you know, $200–300 in parts, and you're not sure which one to replace. And replacing both, sometimes it doesn't even worth it. So trying to see any damage on the boards would be the way to go. So I always recommend take it apart and take a look at it, at the board physically, and if you see any capacitors blown or resistors, then you know it's the one. So I unplugged it. Still blinking. It needs to be discharged, but so I'm gonna start with take the back off, all the screws on the back here, and the front is, I think it's on these clips. You can see the metal clip there, so you gotta get under there with a putty knife here in the corner to push that clip in, and I'll need 2 hands for that, but I'll pop this thing, flip it upside down, and we'll take a look at it. So when you get the clip part up, and you push this forward, and then it goes up. So you got one side out. This is the clip. And basically you get with the putty and you pinch this guy. You push it that way. Alright, we'll do another side. Okay, so here it goes. So now, oh, here we go. We can see clearly. It's a blown resistor. It's all black there. Yeah, quite a few of them. Definitely this is the board that is failing. This one looks good. Sometimes motor controls have problems with the capacitors. This one looks totally fine, but you can definitely see back in there. There's a couple burn spots right through this nice little hole made for us to. I'm really happy I don't have to take the whole thing apart to find that. So most likely this comes all in one piece. So we'll see how much this thing will cost, and yeah, hopefully it can be fixed with under $300 total with parts and labor. That will make it worth it, because it's probably like a $600, $700 machine. So okay, well, thanks for watching. I think we solved this one. Have a good day, guys.